My name is Alwyn Joseph, and I'm here to do video assessment 5C. So the question asks, the helicopter below is carrying cargo and flying horizontally. The helicopter and the cargo are accelerating forward at 3 meters per second squared. What is the angle theta between the rope and the vertical? And also, what is the tension in the rope? So I already drew a free body diagram, but drawing one more, you can see that what we're trying to find is the tension as well as the horizontal and vertical components of the force. This will be T cosine theta, and this will be T sine theta. And looking at the equations we have, we can see that force is equal to mass times acceleration, as well as the force of the vertical minus gravity is equal to 0 in this equation, or in this instance, as well as the force of the horizontal component is equal to mass times acceleration. So plugging in the numbers for these equations, we'll start with this equation. So f of ty is an unknown. That will be T cosine theta minus the force of gravity, which is just 30 times 9.8. 9.8 meters per second squared, which is all equal to 0. And then for the second equation, T sine theta is equal to 30 kilograms times 3 meters per second squared. And doing these will lead us to give us T cosine theta equaling 294.3 newtons. Considering we move this to the other side, making it positive, as well as T sine theta equaling 90 newtons. And so now we have two values for both components, T sine theta as well as T cosine theta. And now we can find the tension force. As we can see, this is a right angle, and the tension force will just be the hypotenuse, and we'll use Pythagorean theorem. So T is equal to the square root of 90 squared plus 294.3 squared. That's going to lead us to get 307.75 newtons. That's going to be the tension force of the rope. Now we have to find one more thing to solve the problem, is the angle theta. And since we already have the components of the triangle, we can just use trigonometry to solve this. Tan theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So we have sine and cosine here. And we can just see that tan theta is equal to 90 over 294.3. And then to find the angle, we just take the inverse. And that will give us an angle of 17 degrees. So finally, we can see the angle is 17 degrees and the tension in the rope is 307.75 newtons. Thank you.